everyone, welcome to all of you on the YouTube channel of VAIR community, and I hope all of you are doing good, all are safe. So today in this video we are going to continue the series of 10 important questions for your CUET exam. So I hope you have already watched the previous set of questions also, because all questions are going to help you. So now we will continue the series, but before that, if you are new to this channel, then let me know how do we solve these questions. So whenever I will show the question, you will have to stop the video, pause the video, try to solve it. If you are able to solve, that's really great. If you couldn't solve, that's also great, because at least you have tried. Okay, so we will try to solve the questions. And if you have any doubt regarding any question or regarding anything about exam or anything, you can ask in the comment box. Okay, now we will directly jump on the question. Here is your question number 1 on the screen. Let's try to solve. Let's read it. What are they saying? The length of a rectangle is a 12 centimeter. For the rectangle, length is equals to 12 centimeter. The side of a square is 14 centimeter less than sum of the length and breadth of the rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle is 16 centimeter more than the perimeter of square. Find out the breadth of the rectangle. We have to find out the B. Okay. And for the square, we know that side of the square is equals to 14 centimeter less than the L plus B. That means 12 plus B minus 14. So A is equals to B minus 2, because 12 minus 14 will be minus 2. Now what are they saying? We know the L is a 12. A is equals to B minus 2, and we have assumed B is equals to B. Then they are saying that perimeter of rectangle is 16 centimeter more than the perimeter of square. So this perimeter of rectangle, that means twice of L plus B, is a 16 centimeter more than perimeter of square. So we will substitute L is equals to 12 and A is equal to B minus 2, because we need to find out the B. So 2 times of 12 plus B is equals to 16 plus A is a B minus 2. So 24 plus 2B is equals to 16. Sorry, this is the 4 times of B minus 2. So 16 plus 4B minus 8. So what will it be? This 4B minus 2B, and this will be equals to 24. 16 minus 8 is 8. So 24 minus 8. So 4B minus 2B is equal to 2B. 24 minus 8 is equal to 16. So B will be equals to 16 by 2 means 8. So answer will be option number C. That's it. Okay. I hope you have solved it. If you couldn't solve, then after this explanation, you have understood this. Now let's jump on the question number 2. Here is your second question. Let's try to solve. The average weight of a group of 5 people is 85 kg. If a new person joined the group and average weight decreased by 5 kg, then find out the weight of a new person. So as we know that initial N is equals to 5%, average is equals to 85. So what will be the sum? Sum will be 85 into 5. 5 5s are 25, carry to 40 plus 2 is a 42. If a new person joined, now new person will be what? If any new person added means N will be 6 and the average weight decreases by 5. So what will be the new average now? Initially it was 85. Now it has been decreased by 5 means it will be 80. So what will be the sum? Sum will be 8 6 are 48. So this is when 6 persons are there. This is the sum when F5 persons are, right? This is the S6 and this is the sum of 5 persons. So what will be the weight of new person? New person's weight will be equals to this difference, that is a 480 minus 425, which is equals to 50. So your answer will be option number. And what is the short trick we have? That new person added weight or anything, whatever is given, is equals to, what is it? Initial number of member, initial N, into change in average plus new average. Right? We have this short trick formula. So what is the initial N? Initial N is a 5. Change in average. We know that average is a decreased by 5. So it will be minus 5. Plus what will be the new average? Initial average was 85. It has been decreased by 5. Means new average will be 80. So 5 5s are 25. That means minus 25 plus 80 will be equals to 55. So your answer will be option number E, that is a 55. You can solve by any of the method. That's it, easier. Now let's jump on the next question. So question number 3 is here on the screen. Let's try to solve. This is of the time and work, most important. A alone can complete a work in a 40 days. Okay, A required a 40 days. A and B together can complete a 1/4 of the work in a 3 days. If 1/4 work required a 3 days, then complete work will require what? 1/4 means 4 ka 1 part is complete in a 3. So 4 part will be complete in a 3 into 4. That means 12 days. So if you find out the LCM of 40 and 12 will be equals to 120. So efficiency of A is a 3 and efficiency of A plus B is a 10. So if efficiency of A is equals to 3 and efficiency of A plus B is a 10, that means I can say that efficiency of B will be 10 minus 3 means 7. So what they have asked, if A started the work alone and after 8 days B joined. That means in initial 8 days, how much work completed? Work completed will be equals to number of days into efficiency of A, because only A is working. So 8 into 3 is a 20. Then find the number of days taken by A and B together to complete the remaining work. So what will be the remaining work? If 24 work completed out of 120, that means remaining work will be equals to 96. And number of days required for A plus B together to complete this remaining work is equals to work divided by efficiency. 96, efficiency of A plus B is the 10. That means they will require a 9.6 days. That is option number C is the answer. That's it. I hope you are able to understand and you had solved, or if you couldn't solve, then by this solution you have understood it. Okay. If anyone still have doubt, please ask in the comment box. Now let's jump on the question number 4 here. What are they saying? A started a business with an investment of 8,000 and after 6 months B joined with an investment of X. If at the end of the year profit shared B is equal to 21,000 out of the 49,000. Out of the 49,000, A and B is here. If B received 20,000, 21,000, how much will be A? A will be 49,000 minus 21,000. That means 28,000. So A has received 28,000, B has received 21,000. What is the value of X? So what is the investment of A? 8,000. He has invested for complete year means 12. Divide by for B. If we say investment of A is a X, he has invested for 6 months and the profit is in the ratio or in the 28,000 by 21,000. That means this 3030 cancelled. 7 4s are 7 3s are. So how much it will be now? What will be the value of X? X will be equals to 8,000 into 12 into 3 divided by 6 into 4. So 6 ones are 6 twos are 4 ones are 4 twos are 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12. So B has invested 12,000 rupees. Okay, that's it. It was easier question of partnership and we can expect the partnership question in the exam. Now let's solve the next question. What are they saying here? The shopkeeper marked an article 40% above CP and allowed a discount of 20%. Had he marked the article 50% above CP and allowed a discount of 12%, selling price would have been 90 rupees more than earlier. Then find 130% of CP. Suppose the CP is a 100. So what will be the first mark price? 40% above means 140. And second mark price is a 50% above means 150. Is it? Now what are they saying? If they are giving a 20% discount. So what will be the 20% discount of 140? 140 ka 20% is equals to how much? 28 rupees. If 28 is the discount, what will be the SP? This was the MP1. This is the SP1. 28 rupees discount. That means 112 is the SP. And on the second one is giving a 12% discount. So what is the 12% of 150? 10% is a 15 and 1% is a 1.5 means 3. 15 plus 3, 18 rupees, right? 150 ka 12%. 52s are, 53s are, 26s are. So it will be 18 rupees. So if I give the discount of 18 rupees, what will it be? 132 rupees. So they are saying that this XP will be rupees 90 more. That means this difference is how much? 132 minus 112 is equals to 20 is equals to 90. Then they have asked you what is the 130% of cost price. If CP is 100, 130% of cost price will be 130 is equals to what? So question mark will be equals to 130 into 90 by 20. 0, 0 cancel. 39s are 1170 ka half will be equals to how much? It will be equal to 2 5s are 10. There will be 1, 2, 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. So answer will be equals to 585. That is option number B will be the answer. That's it. Easier. Now we will jump on the next question. Question number 6 is here. What are they saying? If A into B means south, plus means north, percent means east, minus means west, what is the meaning of P percent Q plus R minus S? So P percent Q. What is meant by percent? P is to the west of Q. So we can say P is to the west of Q. So if this is a Q, sorry, east of, not west. Okay. So P is to the east of Q. So this will be the P. Then and now next is what? Q plus R. Plus means north. Q is to the north of R. So R will be here. Q is to the north of R. And R minus. Minus means west. R is to the west of S means S will be somewhere here. It can be here, anywhere. So they are asked you what is the in which direction S is in which direction with respect to Q. So with respect to Q, which is this direction? South, east. Towards the down means south. Towards the right means east. So answer will be southeast. That is option number B is the answer. That's it. Easier. Now let's solve the question number 7. What are they saying in this question number 7? Let's try to solve. X years hence the ratio of the age of A and A to the B will be 7:5. And X plus 4 years hence ratio of A to B will be 4:3. Present age of A is 26. Then find out the present age of B. So if I am saying that A by B after 4 years, X years hence, that means 26 plus X divided by B plus X is equals to 7 by 5. So if you solve this equation, what will you get? 26 5s are 130 plus 5x is equals to 7b plus 7x. So 7x minus 5x means 2x is equals to 130 minus 7. This is our first equation. Now in the second one, x plus 4 years hence. That means A by B 26 plus x plus 4 divided by b plus x plus 4. This ratio will be 4 by 3. So if I solve it, what will you get? 26 plus 4 is a 30. 33s are 90 plus 3x is equals to 4b plus 4x plus 16. Is it okay? 26 plus 4 will be 3. Yes, that is true. 33s are 90. Correct. So 90 minus 16 will be equals to what? 74 minus 4b is equals to 4x minus 1x. So we will get the second equation. X is equals to 74 minus 4b. So if I have to solve this equation, I will multiply this equation with the 2. So I will get the equation number 2, that is 2x is equals to 74 2 times will be what? 7 2s are 14, 148 minus 8b. Now this is my equation number 2. So if I subtract 2 minus 1, what will you get? 2x will get cancelled. 148 minus 138, that means 18 minus b. So b will be equals to 18. That is option number D will be the answer. Okay, I hope you have solved. You have understood. We just have to find out the. We just have to write down the ratio and solve the equation. That's it. Simultaneous equation. So answer is option number B. Now let's jump on the next one. Question number 8 is here of the SICI. What are they saying? A man invested 4,000 at the rate of R% per annum for 3 years on SI and received 1,800 rupees. So what we know that SI is equal to PRT by 100. 1,800 is equals to 4,000 into R into 3 by. So this double zero will get cancelled. R will be equals to 1,800 divided by 43 are 120. 0 cancelled. R will be equals to 15%. Now what are they saying? If the man invested 5,000 at the rate of R minus 5. So on CI, R minus 5, that means 15 minus 5. This time it is a 10%. On the compound interest for 2 years. So on this 5,000, for first year it will be 110 by 100. On second year it will be 110 by 100. So they have asked you the interest. They have asked you the CI. So what will it be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 will get cancelled. 11, 11, 120, 0 into 5, which will be equals to 0 as it is. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5, 6, 0, 5, 0. So this is your amount. Amount is equals to 6050. P is equals to 5,000. So your SCI will be equals to difference of this. That means 1050. So your answer is option number. That's okay. I hope you are getting this. Now let's solve the next question. Question number 9. The ratio of speed of the train and a man is a 6:1. So we can say that speed of the train is a 6x, speed of the man is equal to 1x respectively. Length of the train is a 780 meter and crosses a pole in a 1 minute 5 seconds. So for the train, what I know that and crossing a pole. So for crossing a pole, distance will be the length of a train which is equals to 780 and time is equals to 1 minute 5 seconds. That means 60 plus 5, 65 seconds. So what will be the speed of the train? That will be equals to 780 upon 65. That is the distance upon time. So 13 5s are 13 6s are. So 5 into 12. That means 6x is equals to 12. So 1x is equals to 2. So speed of the train is equal to 12 meter per second. Speed of the man is a 2 meter per second. So they are asking in how much time man crossed the 240-meter long platform. So for the man, distance is equal to 240 meter and speed is equal to 2 meter per second. So what will be the time required? Time will be distance upon speed. That means 240 upon 2. So he will require 120 seconds or 2 minutes. Option number A is the answer. Exactly correct. I hope you have solved it or I hope you have understood it. Now we will jump on the next question, last question. So before that, if you are new, then you can subscribe this channel and also you can like the video if you really like it. Share with your friends also and let's solve the question. In a certain code language, frame is written as QEBDL. Similarly, block is written as KAPJB. Then how the word pride will be written? Now, if you find out the logic here, what will it be? F previous letter is a E and R's previous letter is a Q. A plus 1 is a B. M's previous letter is a L. E's previous letter is a T. Minus 1, minus 1. Similarly, B ka previous letter A, L ka previous letter K. C's previous letter is a B, K's previous letter is a J and O plus 1 is a P. So similarly we will do here. P's previous letter is a O, R's previous letter is a O, Q. I plus 1 J, D's C and E's D. So QOJDC, that is option number D is the answer. That's it. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the questions here. and you can get the access to our live classes, to mocks, strategies, free resources, etc., number of things. But for that, you just have to comment TISS in your comment box, and you will get the link to join this, and you will get the access. So that's all. And thank you so much for watching this video, for giving your time, for putting all your efforts. Thanks a lot, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe and stay tuned.